Today you are here in the Catalan Government, in the Ministry of Culture, and afterwards we are going to have the conference in Santa Mònica, where there will be the Look Stills conference, but also an exhibition which is called Cultures of Change as well, and is dealing about a subtitle that is about social atoms and electronic life. There are many projects coming from this action, mainly from University of Amsterdam and also from Goldsmith, and we are very happy to have all this project here. And also I would like to thank Alex Adriassens also for all the collaboration, and Matthew Fuller, because they have been very helpful to construct this exhibition in just a couple of months. The idea is that new technologies, physics and other hard sciences can be used in terms of complexity science to study social dynamics.
Well, just a few words, just to say to you that we are very welcome to this seat of the Department of Culture of the Catalan Government, and we hope that your works could put some lights in our work. What we are trying to do now is just to put culture, including science, in the middle of the social interests, because we are aware that we are in a moment of very quick change in the world, and our only or our best opportunity is trying to put in the central point of view of everybody just culture and science, and to rebuild our ways of thinking around them. And this is our opportunity, and then we hope that we will take advantage of your apportations and your works. Then, so be welcome. Thank you very much for your visit, and be happy with us. Okay.
Thank you so much for the possibility that we can have this event here. It's really fantastic. And I think we were very right to choose Barcelona for the conference. Everything about the experience so far has been really wonderful, from the weather and also the intellectual discussion that some of us brought here and some was already here. Let me say thank you again on your behalf to Barcelona, and welcome and enjoy. Okay.